by and take a look at the 2019 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, sunroof, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights. Come see the car for yourself.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle Program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Stop into your local BMW dealer today and ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-Owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance that pre-owned BMW you are purchasing retains the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure that BMW owners have come to expect.